In this video, we're going to go over how to boost or promote a post on TikTok. So let me jump onto the app and I'll show you exactly how. So when you get into TikTok here, I'm over on my profile. What you're going to want to do is go over to one of your actual posts that you want to promote. So let's say I'm going down and I want to promote this post right here. Well, in order to promote this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click the three little dots on the bottom right over here. And you're going to see at the very bottom of the screen, this little bar moving. There's something that says increase views. So if I click on increase views, it's going to bring me to a page where it'll let me choose from various goals. So do I want to boost the account here? Do I want to get more sales? And you'll see the prompts below it will change based off what your goal is. So if I had products on the TikTok marketplace, they would populate here and I could promote those products through this. I can choose more website visits, and it's going to let me go through and I can choose any of these posts that I want to. And you'll see I can click in and choose what videos I want to promote. And if I scroll down, you'll be able to see the items. So it'll show me the estimated button clicks based off of what my budget is. So as I go down, you'll see the budget right here is 56 per day, and the lowest it lets you set is $8 per day. And it'll also let us choose our audience. So you can use default where TikTok chooses for you. This is usually the best option to go about it if you're targeting people who are similar to people that follow you. If you click into this, you're going to be able to set your audience name here. You can jump into different locations. So if I just wanted to target people in the United States, type in United States and I can choose that and save it. Or I can even go in and choose states or cities themselves. I can click into age and gender and I can say, well, maybe my audience is younger. I want to go from 18 to 34 here. And you'll see the estimated audience size is going to decrease because we're narrowing this down. And then you can choose gender if you want to choose male or female. Click save. And then the final option they give us is interests here. So if we want to have any of these categories that might be fitting, they don't give you a ton of options, but if you have a general category, let's say we want to go business services, that's who I want to target. I'm going to click save and you'll see that audience will narrow again, and I can save this audience. And now I can choose to use this audience and you'll see the estimated learn more button clicks are 5 to 53. Whereas if I'm using their default, they're a little bit higher because they have a broader audience. So I can switch between any of these audiences that I create. And then from there, again, we can choose our budget, how much you want it to spend per day, the duration. So maybe I want to run this for 8 days at $8 a day. And then we're going to click choose a promotion pack, which you can do, where you will save some money if you do utilize this. It'll tell you the range of button clicks and you'll see they're very broad. You usually have to run this and it will depend where you fall on that range based off your audience and just how good your ad is performing here. So let's say we chose that $8 per day for 8 days. We would then need to change our landing page here and we can choose what we want the link to go to. Maybe we're pushing our YouTube profile, maybe we're pushing a shop button, and then you can change the call to action button. So what do people see? Is it schedule now, book now, apply now, sign up, shop, etc.? So let's just say we're going to do shop now. We're going to save that. And then when we're ready, we're just going to click pay and it would take us to check out. Now, if you're doing this for boosting an account, you can choose between more video views, more followers, or more profile views. Now, most people will probably want more follows or more video views. And when you choose these, it will change what your goal is. And you can see how many video views we'd get here, 3,000 to 30,000, based off if we're just going for more video views. It decreases a little bit because they're going to need to show it to more people to get more followers here. And you'll see the budget will decrease. So depending on what your goal is, that's what you choose for any of these for boosting accounts. The rest of the prompts are really the exact same. If you're boosting a live post, you're just boosting and choosing that live time. If it's an existing video or if you're going to go live, again, same thing, duration and the budget. And then you have the option if you're doing this to try and get more leads. Are you trying to get people to message you on TikTok? Are you trying to get more phone calls or pushing them to another app? And depending on what it is, if we were to choose, I want more phone calls, it's going to make us put our phone number, choose a call to action. And then from there, it would let us, we'll just say TikTok messages, choose our content that we want to use. And again, set our budget and everything else. And then we'd go through and pay. Now, when you do this, then everything will be active, and you can always go back into this screen here and you'll be able to check how it's performing, how it's doing. But that's all you need to know for setting up any promotions or ads on TikTok.